guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a great day and a great week. In this video, we are going to learn about ABS function, power function, max function, min function and round function. Now, before getting into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you are not purchased my book, means please purchase. Now, let's get into the video.
New project. Let's start with ABS function. Wait, hashtag ABS function. The ABS function shows the absolute value of the given number. First, I'm giving A equal to 3.14, B equal to minus 34. Now, print open bracket ABS open bracket A. Now print open bracket ABS open bracket B. Now I'm running it. The absolute value of 3.4 is 3.4 itself, and the absolute value of minus 34 is 34. Now let's come to the topic, and let's come to the next topic, power function. That is power function. Power function. The power function method takes two arguments to find the value phi square. The power method is written as print, which I will just use variable A equal to 5, B equal to 2. Now print open bracket POW pow open bracket A comma B. Now I am running it. If I run, I get the value as 25. Now let's come to the topic, max function. First, this is a statement. See here, if I am running it, first of all I forgot to explain about max function. The max function returns the maximum value. Now if I am running it, means the maximum value among the both is 37, right? And when I run the program, I got the value as 37. Now let's come to the next topic, min function or else minimum function. Min function open bracket. Now I'm just changing the word max into min. Now I'm running it. Now among the both values, which is the minimum value? It is 28, and when I run the program, I got the value as 28. Now let's come to the topic, round function. The round function method rounds off the given number. Now print, just a second, I will just clear these. Now print open bracket round open bracket. I'm just giving 3.1491947. I'm just giving a random number. Now if I run it, if we round 3.947 and it gives us 3. So if I run, I got the value as 3, and if you round to 3.1947 also, we get 3. So I'll meet you in the next video. Before ending up, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you have any doubts means, please leave it in the comment, and if you like this video means, please click the like button, and if you think that it is useful means, please share it to your friends. Now bye.